Tailor Brands LLC Formation Honest Review, watch before using. If you're looking for a simple and efficient way to form your LLC, Tailor Brands might be on your radar. Tailor Brands is known for its branding tools, but how well does it handle LLC formation? Let's dive straight into the key features and what you need to know. Tailor Brands offers an all-in-one LLC formation package that includes name availability search, filing with the state, and access to their compliance tools. One unique aspect is their focus on branding, offering logos, business cards, and a website builder alongside the LLC services. This makes it ideal for small business owners or entrepreneurs who not only need to legally form their LLC, but also want to kickstart their brand quickly. However, compared to traditional LLC formation companies like LegalZoom or InkFile, Tailor Brands is more focused on the branding side, and their legal services are somewhat basic. While they handle the filing process, they don't provide as much legal support or ongoing compliance services unless you upgrade to higher tier plans. That's something to keep in mind if you're looking for comprehensive, ongoing legal support. Tailor Brands pricing is affordable, but it's important to note that many features like EIN registration or operating agreements come at an extra cost. They'll upsell you on features that are sometimes included for free in other platforms. However, for entrepreneurs who are focused on both forming an LLC and quickly building an online presence, this bundling of services could save time and money in the long run. Customer support is adequate, though not as robust as other platforms, and their services are best suited for startups or solo entrepreneurs who need help with branding just as much as with LLC formation. In conclusion, Tailor Brands LLC formation is a decent option if you're looking for a simple and affordable service with a strong focus on branding. But if you need more comprehensive legal guidance, you may want to look elsewhere.